In a bustling city filled with wonder, lived a young man named Newt Scamander. He had a heart full of dreams and a suitcase full of magical creatures. One day, while exploring, Newt lost his suitcase in the city. As he searched for it, he met a young girl named Tina, who helped him in his quest. Tina introduced Newt to her brother, a charming man named Queenie. Together, they embarked on an adventure to find Newt's lost suitcase, filled with magical creatures that needed to be returned to their home. As they ventured through the city, they encountered various magical creatures, each with their unique qualities and personalities. There was a tiny Niffler, a mischievous creature that loved shiny objects, and a large Erumpus, a creature known for its love of apples. Newt, Tina, and Queenie faced many challenges along the way, but their determination never wavered. They solved puzzles, outsmarted obstacles, and even made new friends. In the end, they found Newt's lost suitcase, and he was able to return the magical creatures to their rightful home. Newt thanked Tina and Queenie for their help, and they all promised to keep in touch. As the sun set, Newt closed his suitcase, filled with joy and new memories. He knew that wherever he went, he would always carry a piece of magic in his heart, thanks to his magical adventure with Tina and Queenie. That night, as Newt drifted off to sleep, he smiled, knowing that the city would hold many more adventures for him to explore. And maybe, just maybe, he'd meet more magical creatures along the way. The end.